Capricorn! This is a Capricorn Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Capricorn? Kamusta ang mga manifestations, no? I feel, no, etong end of the year na yung perfect time para magkaroon ng recalibration and realigning of the goals. On sale pa rin ang ating mga crystals to help you with your manifestations. Black tourmaline for grounding, protection, and anti-evil eye. We also have the Madagascar rose quartz, healing of the heart, healing of the emotions, and to attract loving relationship. Okay, if you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine. Okay, mental clarity and stronger spiritual connection would be our amethyst crystal. Okay, this is the amethyst. This is the citrine, the happiness, and abundance crystal. This is for the heart chakra, okay, rose quartz, emotional healing and attraction of loving connections. We also have the carnelian bracelet for courage, motivation, and good luck. Okay, black tourmaline, very classic, protection. Okay, PM lang, habol na sa sale. Because pagdating ng January, balik tayo sa regular price. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, bless, cleanse, and ritualize by the Enlightened Guide. Habol na sa sale, alright? Salamat sa lahat ng nag-avail ng ating mga crystals. Thank you, at balitaan nyo ko ng like energy shift, no? Kapag nasuot nyo na ang crystals natin. Alright. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. Anong meron para sa mga Capricorn? Let's see. Nagkakaroon ng holding back of offer of love, chismis, bakit ganon? Someone is expecting. Okay. Oh, may buntis ba dito? Alright. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. May ine-expect na good news, good outcome, income, good news sa work. But it feels like nagkakaroon ng blockages or delays sa abundance. Kaya right now, parang nagtatry na mag-hold back ng, if this is a business, parang iniisip na mag-i-invest ba more with this product, with this business partner, or magkakaroon ng realigning of plans. Okay? But tuloy ang trabaho, tuloy ang hard work. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, nagkaroon ng disappointment kasi mayroong mga ine-expect na good outcome for this connection. But nagkaroon ng realization na parang hindi naman totoo yung offer of love or promise. And the other person is like, the other person feels like unfair yung situation kasi binigay naman niya yung effort at hard work for this connection. Nagkaroon ng sadness and still the feeling of longingness for the other person. But sabi, sige, move forward, it is what it is. Kung hindi nangyari yung good news, then okay. Meron talagang inaabangan na wheel of fortune, like a good luck, no, na umikot yung wheel in your favor. But may nire-require ang universe dito na malaking transformation for you, okay? At nagkakaroon ka, I feel nasisimulan mo na tong malaking transformation na to. Merong lumabas na balita para sa mga Capricorn na hindi favorable para sa'yo. Revelation, bad news, chismis na expose. At hindi ito nakabuti para sa mga Capricorn, and it feels like nagkakaroon ng malaking transformation, okay, sa buhay ng mga Capricorns right now. You're trying to heal from mga betrayal at sabi mo is, kailan kaya matatapos to or kailan ka ba makaka-recover? Home life here, no, not just work, not just dreams, no, nagkaroon ng malaking pagsubok para sa buhay ng mga Capricorns. You're also trying to make a home life stable. You feel defeated. But sabi mo, sige, yung quick fix, no, na nakikita mo for now para maging maayos tong energy na to is for you to center your attention muna sa sarili mo, self-love, self-growth, center mo yan. At sabi mo, pag nakuha mo yung healing at balance ng emotions, aayusin mo yung mga plano. Okay? So, if you have your amethyst crystal, i-cleanse mo yan at bulungan mo ng intention mo because amethyst crystals nagdadala yan ng mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine. If you're praying kay God, angels, patrons, no, mas magkakaroon ka ng stronger connection with them, no? Judgment card, you're making the right decision here, pero parang napapagod ka na or pinanghihinaan ka ng loob kung hanggang kailan mo pa kayang lumaban. Okay? If you feel tired, if you feel like parang, if you have the burnout energy, then take a break. Okay? Whew, there's someone who is expressing, no, a passionate connection with you, nanunuyo, nangliligaw, pwedeng bumabalik, but I feel this is more about minanifest mo na bagong love connection, but nag-start siya as very passionate, and I don't feel na ready ka for this connection because ang daming inaayos for now sa energy mo. Meron ka ring iniisip na taong kausapin, balikan, you feel na parang naapektuhan, no? Kung may mga bata, naapektuhan yung mga bata. Kaya, like, kung hindi mo man makita yung sarili mo na nire-rekindle ang romantic connection with his, like, baby daddy or baby mama, at least maging civil man lang kayo. Okay? If there is a past connection that you feel na parang kailangang magkaroon ng closure, apology, or balikan mo, magkausap kayo, because hanggang ngayon, dala-dala mo pa rin yung negative energy about this connection. Okay? Capricorn, the reason for the reading is nag-focus ka sa family, stability ng family, long-term plans, travels, happy, may mga pinlano ka, mga bagay na masaya para sa love connection or sa family situation na to. Hanggat maaaring i-avoid yung conflict, in-avoid mo. Nagkaroon ng mga challenges, no, ang mga Capricorn sa finances recently, especially with the masculine. And at some point, sabi ng masculine, ayaw na rin niya ng conflict, ayaw niya rin ng drama. Nagkaroon din siya ng challenges sa pera. This is like, hindi birong challenges, which is to the point na winori mo, especially the masculine, winori ng masculine, yung mga long-term plans or security ng family, especially ng kids. Recent past, na-involve ang mga Capricorn, nagkaroon ng toxicity sa relationship. This could be like someone may a big ego, may mga bisyo, or someone could be entertaining other connections aside from this, relationship. May mga nai-involve na third energy here na hindi nakakabuti for this relationship. Toxicity, may mga nangangailam, or someone could be involved sa isang third party connection, kaya nagkaka-windang-windang ang relationship na to. Okay? The Capricorn are trying to find the wisdom kung saan ba talaga siya mag-i-invest ng energy niya, yung love, pagpapahalaga. Okay? Nagkakaroon na rin ng doubt sa mga Capricorn if tama ba yung mga bagong taong in-invite mo sa buhay mo. Tama rin ba yung mga taong, you said goodbye with, na parang kinu-question mo na tama ba yung mga kinut off mo na tao, at tama ba yung mga ipinalit mo na new connections. Totoo ba yung intention nila, or they're just after like your stability, or kung ano yung mga benefits na nakukuha ng mga new person na to sa'yo. Okay? So, meron kang gustong kausapin, and I feel the feminine in this connection, maaaring magkaroon ng pag-uusap. Okay? To balance the relationship, magkaroon ng harmony. Madagascar, rose quartz. Okay? Makakat ang reading na to, magpa-part 2 tayo for the Capricorn. I feel nagkaroon ng totoong pagmamahal sa connection na to. But the feminine, parang guards up yung feminine sa connection na to. Dahil, sabi niya, hindi naman love lang ang usapan dito eh. Yung honesty, yung transparency, yung personal accountability also, how willing din ba, no? Yung both of you na ayusin pa rin to. Because the feminine feels like masyado ng marami, no, na chances na ibigay sa connection na to, pero parang nabaliwala lang ng masculine. Okay? The Capricorn feels like parang ang dami ng disharmony or hindi pagkakaintindihan sa connection na to. Part 2